Now, a little quick direction change as we're going to talk a little bit about this miso dish that we're going to do. So we go from the ultimate traditional sort of farmhouse kitchen cookery to something a little bit far out and left wing. So here I've got some little pigeon breasts. Okay, you could use any red meat you like. If you're going to use something like partridge or pheasant or chicken, you simply change it and make sure that you cook it more so that it's not quite as red. Okay, because we want this to be quite blue in terms of how we're going to cook it and serve it. If you want to do it with a whiter meat, you're going to need to cook it for longer because the texture is just not enjoyable otherwise. Okay, all right. Anyway, so this is a brown miso paste, and miso paste is a fermented soybean paste. Okay, so we're just going to make a little marinade with this for the pigeon. Squeezing it out, and I'll probably put a little bit more on than I normally would because I'm quite keen to make sure that we get a good flavour off it in a short period of time. If I was going to marinate it for a bit longer, I might use a little bit less. This is a little bit of icing sugar just for sweetness. Just put a bit of that in there. And then I've got a little bit of cider vinegar here. Not Japanese at all, but we don't need to worry about that. It's going to work really well with the sweetness of the sugar. And then we can put a little tiny drop of water in that, and we'll have a nice little marinade going on. And then we just need to stir it gently to bring it all together. And I don't want them to cook, I just want to sear the outside. So we'll put 3 or 4 on and then we'll deal with those. Sorry about the miso shrapnel in the front row. These are great for cooking kebabs on as well, by the way. If you've got little pinch-offs, little pork kebabs, whatever, just pop them on there. You can turn them over using the stick, it'll all go beautifully. See the way that it's convex like that, it'll just, or concave like that rather, it'll just sit over the top and keep the steam in, so that the steam will then drive the heat through the pigeon or whatever it is you want to cook on there. Works brilliantly with vegetables. If you're doing some little vegetable kebabs, you just stick the lid down and they steam and sear at the same time. It's brilliant. Really. So we've got a couple of fairly unique cooking environments going on there. And it is completely raw inside. I don't want you to worry about that. It's perfectly normal. Some really good quality soy. This is a tamari really, but it's a nice finishing sesame oil, soy sauce. It's not the sort of oil, the sort of sauce you wanna cook with. It's one to finish dishes with. Okay. Dressing. I'm going to put a little bit of acidity in there, just to help regulate the saltiness, really. And if you wanted to, you could put a bit of chili heat in there as well. I think with the ginger, it'll probably be all right. We'll taste it. Just shred a bit of that. A little bit of that. Some cress. Bring back cress.